Jopur mawuok e kar od bura Mandhewe County ma Homa Bay ne oyudo tiegruok ewi tiyo kod lony manyasani mar teknoloji kaka yo mar medo nweng'o e puothegi. Kar tiegruok mar Tom Mboya kanyakla kod jodak e gwenge mag Ndhiwa oketo tenge puodho maromo ekas 45 mar konyo jopur e medo nweng'o margi kanyakla kod miyogi puonj ewi tiyo kod kothe mopuodh kod jolony e weche mag pur kaachiel gi kiro ne cham pi e puothegi e kinde mag oro.
The reason why we felt that we need to look for space is because rather than teaching students to learn agriculture only, we want to practice agriculture. And you cannot practice agriculture if you don't have space. Therefore, we actually looked for this particular space so that we can practice agriculture. Because we realize if you have space, then we can give the people opportunity to practicalize their knowledge.
We have challenged them to work hard to bring value to them, either by capturing or by creating a product out of them. Thus farmers can also gain. This is that Ndhiwa is agricultural constituency, but most of the farm products here that are produced by farmers through hard work is just wasted. There's no marketing, there is no, these guys are just peasant farmers.
Sasa hiyo ndio inatusumbua kwa hao watu wa Ndhiwa. Wakija hapa wanaanza kututishia. Tukienda kuambia hivi wanatutishia. Tukienda kuambia kwamba tupatie hata contract huko ile tunaona kwamba kufikia muda fulani ndio inastahili mkate mioyo yetu. Hawataki